Thanks very much for clicking on my video. So I have bought the cheapest outboard I could find on Facebook Marketplace. So I recently did a video about, boating on a budget, can you get on the water safely, cheaply? I ended up buying a cheap outboard and getting on the water. So I was wondering, was it a fluke? Was it just, a lucky shot that I was able to get a really cheap outboard and it ran and it worked and, it got on the water and pushed me fine? It's onto Facebook Marketplace and put in outboard, I don't know why I'm doing that. I was on my phone, so it was like that. Typed in outboard and like, how much? Got it in the back of the car now, so I'll show you what I've bought. Before I show you the outboard I've bought, please keep an open mind. This isn't going to be like a Mare 40, a Minter or an Ash Johnson or an Evinrude. You've got to be open-minded. This outboard was less than £50. Then it's been in storage in someone's garage. The usual story, they had it, it's been put in a corner, and when I got there it's all complete. So it was a bit of a gamble. I didn't ask to see it running. I just thought, let's grab it, get it home, and I can have a bit of a mess with it, because I like tinkering. We all like tinkering, don't we? So let's keep tinkering. Yes, it's a Seagull. My favourite type of outboard. Small, reliable, bulletproof. This is a 40 plus, not sure of the year yet, but I'll post what year it is. I don't even know what the serial number is, but it's all there. So get it out and you get to see it in a better light. But look at this, it's got grip shift. Here's a bit of a tip for you. Instead of buying these really expensive outboard trolley things, get yourself an old stack truck. This one cost me £10 yet again on Facebook Marketplace, but make sure it's not the new ones, because the new ones have a big hoop here and you can't sit the outboard on. So I'm gonna go and get the outboard out now. I did turn the flywheel to make sure it wasn't seized, and as you can see I can turn it and it turns the prop. The gas tank, you can see how dusty it is, but we don't care about that, it's a Seagull, so it's fine. So, oh God, that's not been off for a while. That's quite in good condition. The fuel tank's dry, so that's good. It's not full of manky two-stroke, where the petrol's evaporated and left all the oil. So yeah, it's all there. Carb, tiller arm, transom bracket. It's got a prop. What more do you need? So normally my golden rule is don't buy an outboard if you don't see it run, because I've been stung a few times where people go, oh, it runs mint, but my hose pipe's not working, or I haven't got a bucket to put it in, and I've risked it, got it home, and it's a non-runner, and then it starts costing you money. So what I'm going to do before I clean this or do anything, I'm going to pull the plug out, see if we've got a spark, and then we'll take it from there. So keep watching. Went easy enough. Yeah, it's pretty in there, just to give it a bit of lubey. Let's put this on, take this rope off. I'm going to get the drill on it, get it nice and earthed. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So I use these children's medicine things. So I've mixed this 10 to 1. So I'm going to put it straight in the bore. Nip it up. do this. It's exciting. Oh, there was no throttle on then. Let's just see. And open the breather, pull the tap, hopefully no leaks. It's quite manky in there. It's quite manky, so I'm going to spray some in. So I've put some fuel in it, not too much, just a little bit, and hopefully it's enough to come through. So we'll put this back on. Exciting time, so I'm going to get the rope wrapped round. Let's see what we can do. So look. It's alive! Yeah! That is awesome. I have bought the cheapest outboard off Facebook Marketplace, and it's a runner. It is an absolute runner. So now we know that, I'm going to order a new spark plug for it. I think I'm going to keep that grip shift. The grip shift works well, so I don't see the point in changing it if it works well. And I'm going to give, it's got a Villiers carb on it, so I'm going to give it all a bit of a clean up, nothing major. I'm not going to polish anything, I just want it in a dust free, lubed up state, so I can chuck it on the back of one of the dinghies and pop 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 away. So anyway, thanks very much for watching my video. If you want to see more seagull stuff, check out the playlist for seagulls. Also keep watching, because I'll do some more videos on this one and plus my other one. A friend of mine's got one, and it's just going to be seagull stuff. But why not? Seagulls are great outboards. If you haven't, press that subscribe button. If you've got a seagull, please tell me what seagull you've got. And if you're on Facebook, check out Seagull Outboard Fans page. It's a really good page, loads of content on there, loads of decent people who've got loads of information about seagulls. So if you've got any queries, get on there, ask, someone will answer it for you. Thanks very much. It's a runner, and it was cheap, £30. I paid £30 for that, and it works.